Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Batman Arkham Knight for the PC. There are two working methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method is that you go into the Windows search bar on the left hand side, you type in CMD, you're going to see a command prompt come up, you're going to right click on this and it say run as administrator. Once this comes up, you want to type in SFC /scan, now all one word. Press enter and this will begin a system scan. This will scan all of the files for anything corrupted and automatically replace them. This will take a couple of minutes at the very least to finish. After this has finished, reboot your PC and try the game once again to see if that fixed the problem. If it did not fix the problem, move on to method number 2. What is method number 2? I'll put a URL in the video description below, but it will link you to this website. On the left hand side of this website, you're gonna see a download button, so click on that. That download button looks something like this. Then once you have downloaded it, you can right click on it, say extract all, and that will create this folder. Make sure that you did extract this before doing this or it will not work. Once this is extracted, you want to double click on the install _ all.bat. This will run all of these executables one by one, and that is exactly what you want. That should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much.